Hello and welcome back to Culinary. Today we're bringing you an excellent starter or a lunch dish made with smoked salmon, eggs and cream. It's beautiful, it's delicious and it's really easy to make. Let's begin. To prepare 4 servings, we'll need 4 ramekins brushed with softened butter and set inside of a deep baking tray. 250 grams of smoked salmon, 300 ml of double cream, 4 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of horseradish, some black pepper, and some dill, chives and radishes. And we'll start with aligning the ramekins with salmon. Covering the bottom and the sides of the ramekin completely. Great. A little cup made of smoked salmon. This dish is very similar to eggs Royale, only even better. And if you have a little gap there, just patch it up with a small piece of salmon. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be a long piece, just in any way cover the bottom and the sides of the ramekins completely. So that's how it will look like. And we're going to reserve these 2 remaining slices for later. The next step is we're going to add a tablespoon of double cream in each ramekin. The next step is we're going to crack an egg in each ramekin on top of the cream. And now we're going to pour a boiling water into the baking tray to come up halfway up the ramekins. Gently. That's enough. And now we're going to place it into the preheated to 190 degrees Celsius oven for 12 minutes until the egg whites are set but the yolks remain runny. Whilst the dish is being cooked, we're going to prepare the sauce. We're going to use the remaining double cream, pour it into a bowl, whisk it to soft peaks and add 2 tablespoons of horseradish. I've actually switched to an electric handheld whisk, which made this job so much easier. It only takes a few seconds to whisk the double cream to soft peaks. That's enough. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of horseradish. And fold it in. Now we're going to julienne the 2 remaining slices of salmon. Thinly. And now we'll prepare the chives. Just cut it in 4. Small bunch. And slice the radishes. The dish is ready and the final step is to garnish it. But first we're going to put a dollop of cream on top, like this. A little bit of salmon, a little bit of chives, radish, and dill. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven, and until next time, bye.